Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? In today's video, we'll talk about key date 1931 S Lincoln cents, and maybe I'll throw in a couple other 1931 coins to talk about also. Let's get right into it. During the Depression in 1931, there were almost 25 million 1931 pennies minted. Almost 19.4 million of these were minted from the Philadelphia Mint, and there's no mint mark on those. Denver produced almost 4.5 million coins. The reason the 1931 San Francisco minted wheat cent is a key date is because only 866,000 of these coins were struck that year, and that's a very low mintage. Our first penny coin is this beautiful red 1931 no mint mark penny. This was minted in Philadelphia, and during this year they weren't putting the P mint mark on their cents. There's not a whole lot wrong with this coin at all. Minted in 1931, it's getting closer and closer to that 100-year mark. And the reverse of the penny is just as beautiful as the obverse. There aren't very many marks on this one at all. This Lincoln cent was graded by PCGS, and it came back a Mint State 67 Plus with the red designation. It also has the green CAC sticker, and that means that this is one of the best looking Lincoln cents for this particular year in its grade. If you find a 1931 penny in circulation, you're looking at somewhere between $1 and $175 depending on the condition. And that's if it's considered brown. Anything red, brown, and red is going to be a better price. This Mint State 67 Plus is one of the highest grades there is for this particular coin. That's why it's sold at auction for $13,200. Here's another good-looking 1931 penny. This one doesn't look as pretty as the last one we just looked at. Maybe it's because it was minted in Denver. I don't think that's the case, but who knows? Even though it doesn't have the same eye appeal, there are some dings and bag marks on the coin. It's still good looking for a 1931 Lincoln cent. The reverse of the penny is a whole lot cleaner than the obverse. These things are getting harder and harder to find, and I don't know how much longer pennies are going to be available. A lot of times I'm not even getting penny change when I go to the convenience store. If you can get a hold of boxes or rolls from your bank, you definitely want to take advantage of that. This one was sent to PCGS for grading, and it came back a Mint State 67 red. This 1931 Denver minted Lincoln cent sold at auction for $21,600. Okay, now here's the actual key date Lincoln cent. This is the 1931 San Francisco minted penny. This one here is the sole finest known to exist, and it was graded by PCGS. PCGS says that these are relatively common up to about Mint State 65, but the availability drops off dramatically at Mint State 66 red. This is one beautiful penny front and back. I checked the prices for the brown pennies if you happen to find a 1931 S in circulation, and they range in price from about $70 for a very low grade all the way up to $1,150 in Mint State grades. This penny reminds me of my wife. It would be very, very rare to see one that looks this good out there in circulation. It graded Mint State 67 red, and this 1931 San Francisco minted Lincoln cent sold at auction for $43,200. Don't forget to give me the up thumb, and please consider becoming a channel member. Thanks for watching.